Top 5 Best Fishing Gadgets. 1. Intex Seahawk Inflatable Boat Series. Whether you're fishing, relaxing, or rowing on the lake, the Seahawk 3 inflatable boat is great for making your boating experience exciting and entertaining. 2. Deeper Pro and Smart Sonar. The Deeper Pro and Smart Sonar is a versatile, wireless, cartable fish finder with built-in GPS. Its unique versatility makes it suitable for trolling from a kayak or boat, casting from the shore, or using as an ice flasher for winter fishing. Displayed on your smartphone. 3. PowerVision PRW10 Powerray Wizard Underwater Drone. The Powerray Wizard is ideal for exploring the underwater world for professional purposes with the PowerVision edition of Zeiss VR1 Plus goggles, a 64GB memory card, and a 230 feet tether. The Powerray can deep dive up to 98 feet, with the internal Wi-Fi system. 4. Tauten LineWelder, Automatic Fishing Line Tyer. The Tauten LineWelder is a handheld, battery-operated device that bonds .013 diameter fishing line, approximate 10 to 12 pound test monofilament, 10 to 12 pound test fluorocarbon and 10 to 50 pound test braid, in less than a minute. 5. Wild River Nomad by CLC Custom LeatherCraft. The Wild River Nomad is a single-solution soft backpack tackle bag. It has an integrated LED light system that allows you to see into the bag or your work area when natural light gets scarce, as well as an integrated 5000 mAh. Check the description below for more details and price. If you like my video, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.